good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you again from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do hash brown casserole. Now, Cracker Barrel has made this famous. And I used to work at Cracker Barrel, so I know how it tastes. And to be honest with you, I didn't like it. I thought it was very bland, the way they made it. So today we're doing Bigtone's hash brown casserole. And you're going to guarantee to have flavor. So, guys, just sit back, relax, enjoy the video. And if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some hash brown casserole. Bigtone's hash brown casserole. The supporting cast is pretty simple. Main ingredient, hash browns. You gotta have them. About 30 ounces of hash brown. I use the frozen kind. Make sure you thaw them out totally good. You don't want to use the frozen. It adds more water to it. So I need one cut up onion, some butter. You're gonna use a whole stick, and then some cream of chicken soup by the store, some sour cream, and then seasonings, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and some paprika. And then of course it's a cheesy type of dish, so you gotta have some Colby Jack, and I'm gonna use a little bit of Monterey Jack to go on top. But that's all the ingredients, guys. It's such an easy recipe. We're gonna get right into it. Like I said, this is such an easy recipe, so quick. But we're gonna start with it. First thing is that stick of butter. Pour that in a nice big bowl. Then we're gonna add our cream of chicken soup. Gotta get it all out. Alright, and then we're gonna put in our onion. And we're gonna mix this up just a little bit. There we go. Alright, next thing we're gonna add is our sour cream. Now our sour cream, I'm gonna use, this is a 24-ounce container. Honestly, I'm going to use about half of it. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe closer to 16 ounces. Just about that much. About 16 ounces, to be honest with you. We're going to mix this in here a little bit. Oh, boy. It starts to smell good as soon as you start putting stuff together. Alrighty. Next thing, very simple. Our hash browns. Like I said, you need a whole bag. It's usually about 30 ounces. Pour in my hash browns. And it's so much easier to mix when they're thawed out. So we're going to mix this up in here real good. Oh man. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this. There we go. Some black pepper. And you know me, I love my black pepper, so I'm putting a lot in it. There we go. Might even put a little bit more here in a second. Next thing, some paprika. I don't measure anything, so I do it by eye. And a little bit of garlic powder. There we go. Come with that flavor. Alrighty. Next thing we're going to add to this is a Colby cheese. Now this is a what is this, a 16-ounce bag. I'll probably use a little bit more than, probably almost the whole bag. About 12 ounces of it. We're going to mix this up real good. Let me get the real mixer. Bam. Alright, that's mixed in. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to taste this. I want to see if it's got enough seasoning in it for me. So, take just a tad bit out. And I'm going to taste it. Honestly, for me, it needs a little bit more black pepper. A little bit more salt. And a little bit more garlic powder. And we're going to mix this all up again. I'll taste it again, but I think this is going to be right now. There we go. Start to see that pepper come through. All right, let me give it a little quick taste. Yep, there it was. Always got to season your food, guys, and taste it. Taste your food. So we're going to transfer this to a 13 by 9 Pyrex dish. I got my 13 by 9 Pyrex dish here. And I pre-buttered this, so I put butter on the sides and the bottom just to keep it from sticking so much. You can use a non-stick spray if you have it. I just use regular butter. So let me put the ingredients in here. All right, and we're just gonna level this out all over the pan. Makes the perfect amount for this dish. Alrighty, just like that. Now the Monterey Jack is gonna go. I'm gonna cook this for it's probably gonna take about an hour. And I'll probably cook it about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Then I'll take it out and put the Monterey Jack on the top. Just give it that cheesy element on top. You're going to place this in the 350 oven. 40 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. You got to judge it yourself. It depends on your oven and depends on how much you make. And by the way, guys, I failed to mention, I did cover that up for the first part of the cooking process. Once I cook that 45 minutes or so, and I will uncover it. Then at that point, I'll go ahead and put my other cheese on it and leave it uncovered and let it cook for another 15-20 minutes or so. Guys, so it's been about an hour. So what I did about 15 minutes before the hour was up, I took it out, put a little bit of Monterey Jack on top, uncovered it, and left it uncovered for about another 15 minutes or so. And there we go. Look at this. Cheesy goodness. You gotta let this cool off for a little bit. This is hot, but look at this. Oh my God! If you could smell this now, you'd say forget Cracker Barrel. But hey, let me put some of this on a plate. Oh my God, look at that, guys. That cheesy goodness. Oh man, I can't wait to bite down on this. Ooh, Lord. If you can smell it, boy, you'd fall in love. Let me get that bite. Bigtone's hash brown casserole. All I can say is forget Cracker Barrel. Hey guys, I just need to get a bite. Oh my God. packed full of flavor. Hey guys, you need to really try this at home. You will never get hash brown casserole from Cracker Barrel again. Hey guys, if you like this video, do me a favor. Just like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.